Students, I am Dipali Devi, your geography teacher. Today I am going to discuss about land use pattern in India from your first chapter. In last class we discussed about resource planning in India, conservation of resources, land resources, like that. Today I am going to discuss about land use pattern in India. The pattern of use of land depends upon physical and human factors both. The use of land is determined by both physical factors such as topography, type of soil, etc. are considered as physical factors. While population, technology, skill, population density, tradition, capability, etc. are considered as human factors. The physical factors are climate, topography, type of soil, etc. are the physical factors. And human factors, the population, technology, skill, population density, tradition, capability, etc. are considered as human factors. India has total 3.28 million square kilometer land used data. I repeat, India has total 3.28 kilometers to 28 million square kilometers land use data, but only 93% of land of total geographical area is available. This is because land use data has not been collected for the northeastern states except Assam, and land occupied by Pakistan and China has not been surveyed because of many unavailable regions. The land under permanent pasture is decreasing. This will create the problem for grazing. The total net-sown area is not more than 54%, including land other than fallow land. Land other than fallow land is either of poor quality or too costly to cultivate. These lands are cultivated only once or twice in 2 or 3 consecutive years. The pattern of net-sown area varies widely from state to state. Where net-sown area is 80%, in states like Punjab, it is only 10%. In the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, and Andaman and Nicobar Island, such difference is creating lot of discrimination. According to National Forest Policy 1952, the forest should be 33% of total geographical area, which is essential to maintain ecological balance. But the forest area in India is far less than desired measures. This is because of illegal deforestation and development which cannot be overlooked, such as construction of roads and building, etc. On the other hand, a large population which is dwelling at the edge of forest depends upon the forest and its produce, resulting in the reduction of forest area. I repeat the previous point. According to Forest National Policy 1952, the forest should be 33% of total geographical area, which is essential to maintain ecological balance. But the forest area in India is far less than desired measures. This is because of illegal deforestation and development which cannot be overlooked, such as construction of roads and building, etc. On the other hand, a large population which is dwelling at the edge of forest depends upon the forest and its produce, resulting in the reduction of forest area. Moreover, continuous use of land over a long period without taking measures to conserve and manage degrade them. This has led to serious problem to environment. Next point is the land degradation and conservation. Land is limited, but the demand is increasing every day. The change in land use pattern shows the change in the society. Land degradation, it is the decline in the productive capacity of land for some time or permanently. Most of our basic needs, for example, food, clothing, and shelter, is obtained from land. But in past few decades, the quality of land is degrading fiercely because of human activity. Presently, about 130 million hectares of land is reported under degraded land in India. Approximate 28% of land belongs to forest degraded area, 56% is water eroded land area, rest degraded land is because of over deposition of salinity and alkalinity. Overgrazing, mining, deforestation, division of lands in small area because of family disputes, etc. are some of the major causes of degradation of land. In the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and Madhya Pradesh, along with mining deforestation, in these states has degraded the land very fast. In the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, overgrazing is the major cause of land degradation. In the states of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, over-irrigation causes water shortage and increase in salinity and alkalinity due to waterlogging. In Bihar, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, land is degraded because of flood. The degradation of land creates many problems such as flood, decrease in yield, etc., which leads to decrease in GDP, gross domestic product, and the country has to face economic problems. There are some common causes for land degradation. These are deforestation, overgrazing, urbanization, industrialization, dumping of chemical waste, excessive use of fertilizers, bad family techniques, sorry, bad farming techniques. These are the common cause for land degradation. Some of the measures to control land degradation are constructing retention walls in the mountain areas to stop landslides, land reclamation, that is proper management of wastelands, regulated use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, afforestation, check on overgrazing, control of mining activities by proper irrigation, by proper harvesting, discharge of industrial waste and effluents only after proper treatment, by preventing the deforestation. Next, we are going to discuss about soil. Soil as a resource. The uppermost or topmost layer of the earth's crust is known as soil. It is the loose material consisting of organic and inorganic substances. Humus is a dark colored stable form of organic matter that remains after most of plant or animals resides have decomposed. Sorry, not resides, residues. I repeat the paragraph. The uppermost or topmost layer of the earth's crust is known as soil. It is the loose material consisting of organic and inorganic substances. Humus is a dark colored stable form of organic matter that remains after most of plant or animals residues have decomposed. Most of the food items like wheat, rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables, etc. are obtained from plants that grow on soil. Soil provides food, clothes, and shelter, etc. After that, the factors for formation of soil. Number one is relief. Next one is parent rock, climate, time, and organisms. The relief, altitude, and slope determines the accumulation of soil. Parent rock, it determines color, texture, chemical properties, mineral contents, etc. Climate, rainfall and temperature influences rate of humus and weathering. Time, it determines thickness of soil profile. Organisms, microorganisms and vegetation affect the rate of humus formation. Next, soil profile. This is the picture of the soil profile. You see, soil profile refers to the different layers of the soil. There are four different layers: topsoil, subsoil, weathered rocks, bedrock or parent rock. In topsoil, this is the uppermost layer, rich in humus and minerals, consists of sand, silt and clay. Next, subsoil. In subsoil layer, it lies below the topsoil and supports moisture, consists of weathered rock, silt and clay and some nutrients. Next, weathered rock. This layer is devoid of any organic matter and is made up of broken bedrock. This layer is also known as saprolite. Bedrock consists of solid layer of unweathered rock. Students, this much for today. In our live class, we will discuss again this part with the cooperation of you, and you have to cooperate with me and ask the questions if any problem. First, you read the whole chapter, a whole part already we have discussed, and we will discuss in our next live class on Thursday. So thank you for today.